Hi guys, how are you? Are you fine? Are you thinking how can I earn easy way from online? I'll give you best suggestion for this method. This is the best for online income. I'll give you link in the description box. You can receive daily earning through your account balance according to your deposit in your selected plans, and you can withdraw that balance. You can withdraw that balance anytime. High return investment will get 24-hour customer support. Fund management, the company team of experienced traders and financial analysts. It is absolutely a ego-based company. You can start. At first, where is my link? Where is my link? Where is my link? Oh, so copy the link. At first, copy the link, then paste in address bar. Okay. Then you click sign up and fill up the form. Fill up the form. Fill up the form. First name get Leighton. Last name Adhikari. 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 Password. Any password. You can give any password. Chelsea Renta. Next, perfect money. You can withdraw your balance by perfect money, Pioneer, PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Okay, it is Bitcoin Cash. Registration completed. Successfully registration completed. Then login. You give username and password for sign in. Login successfully. Then you can go in the then you can see the interface. At first you go dashboard, setting a dashboard, make deposit. You can deposit. I will explain details. Just a minute. Please wait. Just I explain details. Make deposit dashboard. Withdraw. You can withdraw 656 way. Uh, Bitcoin Cash, perfect money, and others way. You can withdraw others way. Total 6 way you can withdraw money. My account balance is 0. Where address perfect money address. When you will start, then you of course deposit the money. You can deposit minimum $100. Then you can start daily earning. Daily earning 6% minimum deposit. Oh sorry, it will be not $100. It will be $30 minimum. Maximum deposit $599. Please see. Beginner. If you be beginner, then you can start uh, with $30. You will get earn $30, 6% profit. If you advance, minimum deposit $600 and maximum 1,199. It is advanced level. Minimum deposit 600. Okay. 6.5%. Advanced level daily earning 6.5%. It will be profit, daily profit. But you can withdraw money after 22 days. 22 days. Competent minimum deposit 1200 and maximum 1,799, and it will be 7% profit after 20 days. Proficient level minimum balance $180 and maximum 230 2,399, and it will be 7.5% bonus. That means profit after 22 days. And expert level daily earning 8% deposit balance, and it will be maximum $3,000. It was the video. You can say anything, please comment and comment to me. Thank you very much to see the video. I'll give you the link in my description box. Please collect the link from my description box.